G'day guys, welcome to another video. What we have here today is something you've probably never seen before, unless if you watch some of the videos that are originating from India. This is a Bajaj Maxima ceiling fan. And before you guess, no, it is not a 36 inch. It is not a 32 inch. This little dinky fella is a 24 inch ceiling fan, or a 600mm ceiling fan as it is on the box. So it's got 4 white blades. It's got like a little ring painted around the bottom of it. It doesn't come with its original, well actually these are not sold with control. It's actually up to the buyer to determine what control they want to run this fan with. So the box is very small, and I'm testing it with a 5-speed choke controller from another fan. It's around about 65-66 watts I think rated, and you're probably gonna guess, but since this is 24 inches and it's got 66 watt motor, how fast does this spin? Well, I'll leave a video to explain that. You'll be surprised. So yeah, these were sold in 3 colors. I think this is white. They're also sold in brown, and there's a third one called Bianco, which I think might be a type of beige color. Yeah. I got this off of eBay. There's a lot of them on eBay at the moment, but I've got an arm and a leg. However, this one was the cheapest one I can find, but it was available on there, so yeah, that's great. It's a very tiny, petite little sparkle of pizzazzo right here. And yeah, we shall see how this thing runs then, shall we? Here she is on high speed, folks. And my God, is this thing fast. It's moving so much, yeah, too. Just in this one little spot here. Insane amount there. Guys, it is one powerful little bugger. I think it's right at 870 RPMs. But geez, the speed that this fan is going, it blows any 36-inch ceiling fan out of the water with the amount of speed it's going. Man, this thing is, my God, it's awesomely fast.